Hey guys, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out VixTry's affiliate business system, and maybe you're wondering, does this actually work? Is it legit? How much money can you potentially make from it? So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to give you an income update, okay? So previously I've done a lot of affiliate business system reviews. So if you're looking for an actual review, you can just go to one of my videos on YouTube under affiliate business system review. You'll find quite a few there, all right? So I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm just going to show you how well I've done with the system so that you can see that this is actually a real system, right? So if you're on this page right now, you've probably seen this before, okay? It's the secret affiliate system that's currently making Vic $300,000 per month on autopilot, okay? So what is this all about? Is basically his business, and he's going to be able to replicate it and give it to you. You can brand it, you can put your face on it, you don't have to put your face on it. It's very, very flexible, but essentially you're getting his entire business in a box, and you can license his products to sell online. It allows you to make money online a lot easier. So instead of dealing with all the technical stuff, you know, the 100 pieces that you have to put together, which can be very confusing in affiliate marketing, he's basically just going to give you his business in a box. Nobody else is doing this. It's a really, really cool system, okay? It's actually very new right now, so it's only been in the market for a couple of months, not even a couple of months actually, a month plus, right? And so it's just ramping up right now, all right? So I'm gonna jump onto my dashboard just to show you some of my income, all right? So I'm logged in here. You can see that's my name right there. That's my picture. Hi, Aaron, right? So this is definitely my account. This is not a screenshot or anything. I'm scrolling. So this is this is a real website. So I'm going to log into my VIP Partner Center to show you the commissions that I've made, all right? And you can see here, in terms of the dates, okay? So we're kind of running in December, right? So you can see here, this is the December 8th, December 9th, 11, 13, 16, 22nd, 23, 26, 27. So kind of running through December into Christmas. Now, I just want to, before I show you the numbers, which you can actually see here, just understand that I'm still ramping the system up, right? So this is not at the full potential at all, not yet, because it's a pretty new system, and I'm still getting it going, getting all the marketing going, and I've set up my Money Hub, all right? But just to show you that this is real, it really works. And it's a great system, okay? So you can see here, $894 in commissions, 388, 386, 386, 447, 386, 894, 833, and 447. And these ones all came in, just after Christmas time. This was Boxing Day. This was, the 27th, which was today, actually. So you can see that the system is working really well, all right? So some of you asked for an income update. This is my income update. The system is working exactly like it's supposed to work, all right? Now, what I do want to mention is that, let me just kind of show you right here, okay? So my payouts, again, you can see that this is real. I've generated about $126,015.93 through VIX trainings and through some of the products that I market for, through him, right? And so it's a significant amount of money, right? And this is just VIX products that I sell. I sell multiple products. I sell my own programs. I sell other people's programs. I sell tools and resources and stuff like that. And when you learn to do this properly, it can be very powerful, all right? But the great thing about this system is that you don't necessarily have to learn all those strategies because you get VIX business in a box. So it's really a shortcut to learning how to do good affiliate marketing with a big business, right? And you don't necessarily have to build it piece by piece yourself because it's all there for you, which is really, really cool, all right? So that's my quick little income update, all right? If this is something that you want to do, and I highly recommend that you do it, because if you go down the route of trying to figure everything out yourself, as in, build it brick by brick, which can take quite a long time. It's a great way to build a business, right? But a lot of people struggle because they struggle with the technical stuff, okay? So if you don't necessarily want to struggle with the technical stuff and you want a ready-made business that you can brand to you or whatever brand that you want, it's super flexible, right? So people don't look the same because your hub, your Money Hub, looks completely different from everybody else because you brand it to yourself, right? And then it allows you to use multiple sales funnels, multiple streams of income, and that's how I'm getting these commissions, okay? But on top of that, I want to make sure that you can build it the way that I'm building it so that you can get these results as well. You can ramp up the way I'm ramping. So I've got a bunch of bonuses that you can get access to if you want, all right? So Sorry, the screen's a little bit funny there, but I've got $5,985 worth of bonuses if you decide to join through my link. Okay, so just rewarding you for joining into my team or getting through my link. The first thing is you're gonna get access to my private Facebook community. All right, so everyone in there is part of my team. All of the people that bought through me, I'm in there every single day. Any questions that you have, I'll answer them for you. Value $1,997. We also do live trainings. So twice a month, we'll go live like this. You'll see my face, literally like this. We'll go live. You ask me all the questions that you want and I'll answer them. And, we do that twice a month. So value for that is $1,997 for 2 live trainings with me a month, right? My 6-figure ABS roadmap, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm leveraging the affiliate business system. Okay, so you can do it Vic's way or you can do it my way, all right, or you can do both. And I'm going to show you how I do it so that you can just replicate what I'm doing and get even better results. Value for that training, $497. My simple selling formula, this is the strategy I used to make $1.5 million online. I actually learned this from Vic back in 2016. Okay, so I'm gonna add that in there so that you can see how my entire process works. You can implement it for yourself if you want. Value is $497 for that. You also get my YouTube organic leads course. So how do you get leads? How do you get traffic? Where's the best quality traffic on the internet? I think it's YouTube. Anyone can do this. You don't have to show your face. You can do it in so many different ways, right? Screen recordings, PowerPoint presentations, cartoon style, AI, animation, whiteboard, so many ways, right? But I'm going to teach you how to do this. By the way, I sell Video Authority Mastery outside for actually $997, so just under $1,000. You get that for free if you decide to join Affiliate Business System through my link, okay? And you just get that because I want to make sure that you can get leads into your system. That's really important. So the real value here is just under $6,000, all right? And you really get this 100% for free if you decide to join the Affiliate Business System. So I'm just going to go back right here. All right. So if you decide that you want to build an affiliate business, leverage off a very successful marketer, get the system in a box, you brand it to yourself, right? You get to leverage all of his products that you can license if you want, right? And all the sales funnels that are built for you inside the system is super cool. Okay, it's not just a website, it's like, multiple funnels within this big hub, and everybody can go around, and that's how you generate a lot of these commissions. And on top of that, all of my bonuses that will help you to make sure that you have the right support, number one, the right training, get the right leads. And I'm just, you can just copy exactly what I'm doing. Then if you're interested in that, I'm going to leave my link right below. And when you click on the link below, you're going to see this particular page right here. Okay, so I want you to watch this video. Vic is going to go through the ABS system. You can watch it again, click play. And once you've watched the whole thing, a buy button is going to pop up on the bottom, and then you can just buy, right? And once you've bought that, make sure you email me. Okay, email me your receipt. That's really, really important. So let me just go back here to the presentation, and I'm just going to show you how to email me and where to email it. Okay, I want you to email me at support@theinvinciblemarketer.com. Write that down. Okay, support@theinvinciblemarketer.com. Email me your ABS receipt so I know that you actually purchased through my link, and then I will give you all of these bonuses right here that we just spoke about. Okay, the $5,985 worth of bonuses, you get all of that. My assistant will send you that directly so that you can get started. You can get access to the Facebook community. You can get on the live trainings with me, ask me anything you want. You can get access to the 6-figure ABS roadmap, my simple selling formula, and of course, my full YouTube organic leads program, so you never have to worry about where you're going to get traffic and leads ever again. All right, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope to see you inside ABS, because I think that honestly, if you want to generate income this year moving forward, right, change your family's lives, this is your best chance. Honestly, nobody else is doing this. Nobody's giving away their multi-million-dollar business like Vic is. The technology behind this is top notch. It's top of the line. I've never seen any other marketer do this. And for you to be able to get access to this is very, very powerful. You don't have to worry about all the tech stuff because it's taken care of for you, which I think is a huge win, because if you want to build a traditional affiliate marketing business, you have to build it from scratch, step by step, which is okay. I still think that's a great way to build an affiliate business, but a lot of people struggle with that. So if you want a lot of help with that, you want a really powerful business in a box branded to you, then this is the way to go. All right. I hope you enjoyed this little income update right here, just so that you can see the system works. I will continue to do these income updates, from time to time. But I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope to see you inside the program. Take care and all the best.